Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. So, today I decided to clean my washing machine and do a little not spring, just a little cleaning in this laundry. It's very small, so it doesn't really get that dirty, but when I do go in and clean the machine, I sort of clean the laundry as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have been experiencing a little bit of odor when doing my laundry, or if maybe my machine was just sitting and being closed. If it was closed, and then when I open it, I do smell a little foul smell, which I don't like. So I decided to go ahead and clean it. I'm not gonna pull my machine apart, but I will do what I always do with it. And I did clean the inlet valve filter. I think it was yesterday, which is why you will see a little bit of dirt and wetness underneath the machine later on. I have a small laundry that I need to get through first before I start with the cleaning cycle. So normally I use bicarb and vinegar to wash the machine, but today I'm deciding to use these effervescent cleaning blocks. There was one video that I checked on YouTube about these blocks. I didn't check all the videos, so I didn't get like a lot of opinions, but someone said that they don't really work. They think that it doesn't work. Rather pull up your machine and basically pull it apart and clean. So I'm definitely not doing that, and it was not advised in the washing machine manual as well. So I'm just going to use the blocks as they are and just hope that it will clean and just take away the little odor that I've been experiencing in the machine. So let me just prepare now to do my laundry before I actually start with this machine. So one of my um Wonder Sprays bottle, it was almost finished. As you can see, there's a little bit left. So usually I mix my cleaning vinegar with a little bit of dish soap. So I didn't use that this time because I had that Wonder Spray, that little bit left on. So I thought, okay, let me somehow use the bottle as well. Just decant everything into this bottle, because in that way it will also help me use the vinegar, because most of the time it just stays under this kitchen cupboard and then I don't get to use it. And also the reason why it's brown like that is because it's infused with, I think it was orange or lemon, I can't remember now on the label, but it's infused cleaning vinegar. So putting it in this bottle will actually really help me use it. And now I also have an extra container, a glass container that I can use to store something in the house. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix up the vinegar and that little bit of Wonder Spray. Then my vinegar mix has soap in it. Then I'm going to use it to clean the machine. Well, those parts where you saw the dirt, the grime, and all the dust inside or at the top of the bucket. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. And just to give the machine also some freshness in it, and also to disinfect with that vinegar in this bottle. So I'm gonna start now with the machine because my laundry is already done, and yeah, here we go. It's not looking, it's not looking well. Okay, so I'm supposed to actually use 1 to 3 tablets, but I wanted to use four just for a maximum clean, and I guess the influence from whatever I had on YouTube. But anyway, I used 4 blocks, and right now the machine is at 54 minutes, and I'm actually supposed to, well, the instructions are saying I must just let it run for a bit, like 5 minutes, so that the blocks can dissolve, and then after that I can let the machine soak. Okay, so now we are at 49, sorry, minutes. So the 5 minutes has passed, and the water is still looking pretty clean at this point, but you can see that the blocks have dissolved in the water. And the instructions further say that I must just leave it 2 to 3 hours for the blocks to soak and really get in and clean inside the machine. So I did go ahead and I just did 2.5 hours, basically 2 hours and 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna let it soak, and then I'll come back to it later on. So while the machine is doing the cleaning cycle, I thought I'd share something with you guys. I saw this company on Instagram. It's called Sleepies, and I thought I'd check it out because I don't like buying things on Instagram. I will never bought anything through that platform because I'm a little scared. So I found a website for them. They sell sleepwear for kids, for adults, women, men, grandmothers, or whatever. So the website is called Pajama Mart. I'll leave it here on the screen. I'll put the website here on the screen. So Pajama Mart, and I saw it a couple of months ago, but I didn't order anything, and so I thought now that there's Black Friday, let me check and see if there's any sales available, because that's what I do. I wait for sales to buy things, especially online, or I wait until I have enough reward points to buy, because then you can convert it to rent, then you can buy something and you can get it on a discount. I do that the whole year and leave my rewards there, so that at the end of the year I can buy things. I mean, that is something that I do so that I can be able to also afford stuff, maybe for presents, and I buy with all those rewards points, or I wait for Black Friday to buy stuff. So that's what I did, and so it comes in this package. So it's Sleepies. Sleepies by Pajama Mart, and so inside I think this is something extra. I don't know what this is. It's okay. Oh, it's a hairband. Wow, I think it's like a present, maybe, I don't know. So it's a thank you note. Hi Sivu, thank you for your support. Enjoy your new Sleepies. Take care, Kim and Ashley. Okay, yeah, so I bought my daughter 2 set of pajamas, and so it comes in this bag, and it's written here at the bottom here, it's Sleepies. Very nice bag. Good. So inside there should be 2 pairs of pajamas I bought. So they've got different kinds of pajamas there. They've got stuff. I saw the stuff now for it's got like those reindeer stuff for Christmas. So you can, if it's not for you, you can definitely buy there for someone else, maybe as a present or something like that. So this is a top. This is the first top. This is a 9 to 10 because my baby is 10 years old, and I bought her a 9 to 10. So the quality is not bad, it's pretty great, it's good. It's 100% cotton. And then these are the bottoms. These are the bottoms, and it's got the Sleepy's label there as well. That's the first one. And then the second one is this navy blue one. These are the bottoms. And then also on the tops, the ones which are just plain color, there's a lot of plain colors there. Then you can decide if you wanted to have something here or just want it plain. You can have like a rainbow, a bus, a bear, an elephant, whatever. Or you can decide to put a name, your child's name. So on this one, there's my child's name. I picked for her this one, and I wanted it to be pink. You can also choose white. Depending on the color that you choose, then you choose so that the color, you can clearly see the color. So I chose this one for her. So this is the top. And it's also got the Sleepy's badge here at the bottom. So the fabric is really pretty good. It's not bad at all. Like I said, it's 100% cotton. So yeah, that's what I got for her. So I will be buying more. I'll buy for myself as well because they are really prompt. Like I bought let's say on Wednesday, the stuff online, they sent me an SMS immediately, like 2 minutes or 5 minutes after I bought it, and they asked me what color would I like of the name, because it's a navy shirt. Is it white or pink? So I chose pink, and they said, all right, we'll do that, and your package is coming. And I think a day after, or the second day, I think it's a day after, the things arrived. So I was very happy about that. So yeah, like I said, I will put a description, or not a description, the name of the site here. You guys can check them out as well. Okay, so that is over, and now the water is looking really green, and I'm guessing that it pulled a lot of dirt, and you can see there's things floating at the top as well. And now the instructions further said that I need to run like a normal cycle on the machine, the longest cycle, and just to loosen up everything. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to run a normal cycle, also like 54 minutes, and then rinse out the machine, and then after that everything should look clean, and my machine should stop smelling like something died inside. So that's what I'm doing now, and yeah, hopefully everything is just going to loosen up and the machine will be cleaned, and that will be it. And then I'll just finish up off camera. I'll just finish up cleaning the laundry while the machine is going. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So it was really late last night for me to show you guys after everything was done. So now this is the morning after, and as you can see, everything has been cleaned. The machine is looking really nice and clean. The dust is gone, the dirt, the grime. I brushed off everything, and I'm so happy. I'm so glad that I finally did this, because it can really be daunting to start cleaning, and washing. And I'll try my best to now and then just clean up, just wipe down with a cloth, just the dirt or the dust, basically, so that it doesn't get so bad. Yeah, so even inside the bucket is clean. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in another video. Bye.